What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at AMD stock. So, guys, we are, as we have been saying, we are in the downtrend. I have my short position. We'll talk about all of that as well in this video. And that rebound that came today, we are just seeing a sell-off through that and rebounds, as I said, just like we have pullbacks in the uptrend. Right, we have rebounds in the downtrend. And so today we again have a red candle. So in this video, as I said, we'll take a look at the price action. How low can it go? Is this a possibility to start changing the structure back to the upside, or are we just going to continue to head lower? Also, before going further, I want to tell you that check out this video of mine if you are interested to know about morning update on Nvidia. $824 level will decide it all is what I talked about this morning. Nvidia has yeah, it has pretty much given us that the play I was talking about after rebound, guys, is still not fully bullish, and today break of 824 has given us that downside confirmation that rebound is getting over. So check that video out. I'll do another video later on Nvidia once the market has closed. But just in case you are interested to see the morning update as well on Nvidia, check that video out on my channel. Okay, so let's go back to AMD here. So you already know I have my short play on this, and I have been taking partial profits out at these significant levels, right? I did take more out, well, 151, and then I did take out some more yesterday. And however, I'm still carrying my short position. I'm not fully out of this. So I still think, as I have been saying, that we will come down to 200 days moving average. That's still a very likely possibility. But as I said, I'm already in profit. As I said, I'll take partial profits out. But so what are we seeing in the price action? We saw some rebound on the last 2 days, which was, I was saying that, guys, yep, that's rebound is fine. We are though below 20 and 50 days moving average. But this rebound hasn't changed the structure for us. I said that even if the rebound comes all the way back up to this $162 area, that's still just a rebound in the already ongoing downtrend. We didn't quite make it that far. We rejected at one of the other significant pivot level, and we came down to the next level, right? We rejected at where 156 and almost 157 and came back down to 151. Let's go actually to the hourly interval to make things more clear in the price action. So let me expand. Okay, let me actually first go to the 4 hours interval, guys, so that I can show you a couple of things on the structure here itself. Okay, so this is not a perfect trend line, but you can follow, if you're a trend line person, you can follow this as well on 4 hours, and you can see we are still in that downtrend. Okay, did anything change? No, we are still lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? And yeah, and we are rejecting at that trend line as well continuously. And today, like we talked about all these possible intraday plays that may come as AMD starts to break these little bit of structures to the upside, and we got those little bit of long plays, right? That's all fine and dandy. That's all good. But as for the bigger structures, that hasn't changed on swing, and you can see we rejected at one of the previous consolidated level or resistance, you want to say it, marked by my significant level as well. And we are heading lower, guys. So there is still a continuation possibility at 145. If you want to see AMD make this as a higher low, then for the change of structure back to the upside, oops, what did I do? Oh, sorry, guys. I think, yeah, that's strange. It's here, but why is not showing? Maybe something happened. Anyways, but yeah. So if you want to see a change of structure back to the upside, you don't want to see AMD break below 100, and you don't want to see it close below 151. You want to see it confirm us this pivot and break out above this at least trend line, and then that is a confirmation at least structure is changing. But guys, the full structure on this to change, like the full big structure with the confirmation, that is hard to come even after just that trend line break. This thing may come up here, consolidate, because we're below 200 hours moving average. To change the structure back to the upside, AMD is going to take a lot of time at this point. It may stay here, go lower, stay choppy, but it's just more likely it's a downtrending thing right now. It's not an upside play. Rebounds you can see are today. It's just a rebound that we got, and now we are selling off, right? We are selling off. So, but you got the areas to watch if any potential pivot forms, any position that is to be taken can be taken according to that. I would, again, a swing side, I don't want to trade it long. There's not a big structural change I'm seeing to the upside. That's not the case. And on the intraday, just follow my day trading levels plus, and accordingly you either play long or short. You can see even today, these orange lines, we rejected over there. You see the price action rejecting at those levels, came back down all the way to our significant levels and the next level, right? So, but anyways, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video, okay? Now, what else do we have here on AMD? Let's take a look at if there's some articles or news going around. And AMD, here we go. AMD may see continued server strengths to offset current PC correction, embedded resets. Bank of America Security says. Some of them have been raising their price target right above $200. So they are maintaining AMD's buy rating at $195. Bank of America, guys, okay, 195, some are even above 270, but they're not showing up right now here because they're hibernating now. So the thing is that the structure is not showing me right now 195. The direction is just not that direction right now. If anything would change, it should change here in the structure around 200 days moving average. Until then, I do expect this thing to continue crawl lower, and then we'll see where it meets 200 days moving average and if any price structure starts to change then. All right, guys, that's for AMD. Before wrapping up, let's take a look at QQ real quick. So again, as I said, just a rebound. As long as we are still below 432, it just has to be taken as a rebound. If you want to see a pivot form, then you would want to see that pivot form not more below 421 and 65 cents. But right now we are just in the rebound, and technically we can continue lower. SPY is in a bigger sell-off today. It's more negative than QQQ. And yes, SPY, I have been saying, guys, this is just a rebound and below 20 and 50 days moving average. We are still in the downtrend, and so far, yeah, we are still in the downtrend, guys. All right, well, guys, that's it. Let's just take a look at Nvidia as well right now. So it all comes down to how we now close. If we close below the yesterday candle, then that's a problem. Let's take, yeah, that's what I talked about, guys. We are gonna start forming lower highs, lower lows as we broke the 824. Yep, we are back again in the down range. Tried to hold itself there for a second, but it failed, well, because we were already setting up for the lower highs, lower lows. So that was the level, guys. Now, yeah, 796, 770. Yeah, it's in the downtrend, and check out my morning video. As I said, check out this video. This will tell you everything that you need to know about Nvidia. This video was for AMD, guys, and that's that. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.